It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, MB apps, power convertible roof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.